When the weather changes, we see a lot of people with allergies. Some suffer from pollen allergies, others from the cold weather. There are millions of people affected by allergies throughout the world. But what are allergies, and why do they only affect some of the population? Allergies are a very common condition caused when our immune system is hypersensitive towards the harmless substances present in the surrounding environment. It can cause mild to severe reactions in our body when a person comes in contact with an allergic substance. Sometimes allergies can be life-threatening. Susceptibility and severity vary from person to person. Incidences of allergic diseases are increasing day by day. Adults are more affected by allergies than children. Due to anaphylaxis, a possible outcome can be death. Common symptoms of allergies are rashes, shortness of breath, redness of eyes, runny nose, sneezing, and swelling on the body. These start to show when we inhale or digest allergens. Common examples of allergies are food allergies, pollen allergies, insect stings, and allergies resulting from medications. The simple method of diagnosis is through family history and occurrence time. There is a possibility of developing an allergy at any time in your life, and you can develop an allergy without any previous allergic history. Now, have a look at what happens when you come in contact with an allergen. The immune system is a protective mechanism in the human body. It works to protect the human body from foreign invaders that can be microbes or any harmful substance. When a person inhales pollen, the immune system detects it as a danger and overreacts to protect us. It produces antibodies against it. The specific type of antibody is IgE, immunoglobulin E, which produces an allergic reaction. This IgE antibody binds with the foreign particle and sends signals to the mast cells of our body. These mast cells produce inflammatory chemicals known as histamines. Histamines produce inflammation and itching in the body. The immune system is very specific in its action of detection. It will only act hypersensitive towards a particular type of allergen. People from every age group, gender, and socioeconomic status suffer from different types of allergies. Some diseases are related to allergies. Allergic asthma is a disease in which a person suffers from shortness of breath, and it is more difficult to breathe. The most fatal and life-threatening disorder associated with an allergy is anaphylaxis. It has a rapid onset and severe nature. Common symptoms are shortness of breath, vomiting, swelling of the throat, very low blood pressure, skin reactions, and faintness. It is the most severe form of allergic reaction, leading towards the death of the affected individual. Food poisoning and food intolerance are not part of allergic reactions. 8 food items mainly contribute to allergy-causing reactions, though. These are eggs, peanuts, milk, tree nuts, soy, fish, shellfish, and wheat. About 150 people die per year due to food allergies. For the treatment of allergies, a person should know about the possible threats associated with any item. They should have an idea of what type of allergy they are going through. Avoiding the potential terror and contact with the allergen is the most suitable. So, do you have an allergy? Let us know in the comment section below.